Introduce highlight features or overview summary for XQCK-Cam 3 channel. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 3-channel camera, XQCK camera for cars 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p at 30 fps, monitors the front, rear, and inside. 170 degrees front, 150 degrees rear, and 150 degrees inside viewing angles, covering a wider range of angles. Reducing blind spots, and providing all-around protection, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims or disputes. 2K and 1080p dual dash cam. Also be used as a dual dashboard camera, 2K and 1080p at 30 fps front and inside camera with 4 infrared LEDs for clear recording of passenger activities even in pitch darkness. See every detail clearly and don't miss a single moment. Built-in Wi-Fi and app control. With Wi-Fi, the free app Aeger app is available for iOS or Android devices, allowing you to view, download, save, and share videos from your phone. Not support remotely view live on your phone from home. Effective Wi-Fi signal range is about 20 feet. Reliable accident recorder. Built-in G-sensor, driving collision triggers G-sensor, car camera automatically detects the collision and locks the file. Parking monitor, when parking, vehicle shaking/collision security camera for car will automatically start recording and lock the video to event file urgently for 30 seconds. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is Super Night Vision. f1.8 aperture, 6 layers lens with HDR/WDR technology captures important details clearly in low light. Capture clear details of license plates and road signs day and night. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.